ninth class. I belong to village Karidas, district Charkhi Haryana. I would like to inform you that I am here to participate in 19th National Jamboree organized by Bharat Scout and Guide from November 23rd to November 29th in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. My team and I will meet with all participants from all states that have participated in 19th National Jamboree and spread the message of environmental awareness by presenting them with my calendar 2026 and plants. Because I am working on environment conservation from last some few years with guidance and inspiration of my teachers and parents, due to which I realized that for environment conservation we should work on 8 factors. I have included these 8 facts in my calendar 2026. Fact number 1: plantation. Plant trees everywhere and protect them. We should plant trees everywhere as more as possible, because by planting trees we get oxygen, and oxygen is very important for our life. Next fact is also that we have to protect these plants also, because by only planting trees this fact is not sufficient. If we do not take care of them, then they will die and we cannot get oxygen. We should care of them like our family member. Like a scheme is also launched by Bharat Sarkar, that is Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. So like these, you can include these trees as your family member and take care of them. So next fact is water. Save every drop and collect rainwater. Water is also very essential for our life, but nowadays water pollution increasing a lot. So we should save every drop of water without wasting it. And by collecting rainwater, by rainwater harvesting, we can also increase the groundwater level, and that is also very beneficial and essential for us. We can use them for agriculture and drinking purpose. Next fact is avoid single-use plastic. We should avoid single-use plastic because single-use plastic is very harmful, and single-use plastic cannot be recycled. It is non-biodegradable, and when you throw it into soil, then they will not degrade easily and pollute the soil, decrease the soil fertility. And if you throw it into a water, then water pollution will also occur, and if you burn it, then air pollution will occur. So only this one single-use plastic can cause three type of pollution. So we should avoid single-use plastic. Next fact is biodiversity. Protect all types of trees, plants, animals, birds and creatures. Biodiversity is also an important fact in environment conservation. Every creature in this ecosystem, in this environment, has its own important role in this ecosystem. So we should protect every creature in this biodiversity. So we should also protect our biodiversity, our flora and fauna. Next fact is soil. Stop using chemical fertilizer in the soil and do not over irrigate. We should not use chemical fertilizer, because by using chemical fertilizer soil fertility is getting reduced. We can get high yield through chemical fertilizer, but what about soil? Soil will get reduced its fertility, and by over irrigating the waterlogging will occur. And if you use both fertilizer and also over irrigate the field, then waterlogging also can, with water pollution will also occur, and a biological term called biomagnification will also occur, which can cause the death of many species, many aquatic animals and even eagles also that eat fishes, these animals, then they will also die. So we should avoid chemical fertilizer and do not over irrigate in the field. Next factor is air. Let us try to minimize air pollution with any of our action. Air is also very essential for our life, but like water, its air pollution is also increasing a lot. So we should minimize the air pollution. The air pollution is also caused by human activities like burning of fossil fuels, plastics, vehicles, transportation, ACs, factories waste. So we should minimize these, like using electrical vehicle, less use of AC, and I would prefer you that do not use ACs. That is very beneficial because AC are cooling inside the room. Outside the room, the AC will heat up all things, and global warming will also occur. So we should minimize the air pollution through our actions. Next fact is energy conservation. Use energy resources as needed and judiciously. We should use non-traditional energy resources and avoid the use of traditional energy resources, because traditional energy resources like coal, petroleum, fossil fuels are very in limited amount and are getting less, and if we use them all, then they take millions of years to form. And like for example, non-traditional energy resources, they are unlimited in amount, like solar energy, wind energy. We can use them again and again and for very long time period. So we should non-traditional energy resources. Next fact is recycling. Recycling conserves natural resources and minimize environment pollution. Recycling conserves natural resources, like if you recycle any substance, any resources like plastic. If you, for example, plastic, if you recycle plastic, then no one factory will have to form more things, more plastic. Then pollution will also get reduced. And if we recycle anything, for example, in this photo I am recycling these pots, coloring. So by coloring, the old substance become a new type look, and we do not have to purchase more pots. And the pot maker will also not have to make more pots. So then they do not have to use more soil, and our natural resources will get conserved, and air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, all type of pollution will also get reduced. So these are the 8 facts we should work on this. और मैं 9th क्लास के अंदर पढ़ता हूँ, और आज मैं जितने भी राज्य आए हैं उनके सभी के गेट पे जाऊँगा, और मैं और मेरी टीम सभी को कैलेंडर और पौधे भेंट करेंगे। और जैसे आप देख सकते हैं पौधे, और सभी को पर्यावरण बचाओ, जीवन बचाओ, एनवायरनमेंट कंजर्वेशन का मैसेज पहुंचाएंगे, और उन्हें बिगड़ते हुए पर्यावरण प्रदूषण के लिए जागरूक करेंगे। धन्यवाद।